Yes, did everybody join? Shall we begin? So,
Yes, ma'am.
proportion. What should be the proportion now? 80 lakhs divided by 2 crores into 100. It would be 40%. Correct?
Yes,
20
Yes,
ma'am.
lakhs divided by 2 crores into 100,
10.
10%. 60 lakhs divided by 2 crores, 30%. And 40 by 2 crores, 20%. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Now, new KE will be calculated. Listen very carefully.
Yes,
New
ma'am.
KE will be calculated. Now, formula will be same. I am writing here, no?
Amount change.
New KE. The KE will be changed. Now, you tell me, in case B, wait. In case B, what is DPS? That is dividend per share, and what is
2,
market price per share?
2 and 20.
No, Jaya or Jayashree.
जय श्री मैम पहले
बेटा मैं
2
केस
था
नंबर
ना.
सेकंड की बात कर रही हूँ. सेकंड केस पढ़ो.
हाँ 3
सेकंड
और
केस.
15.
यस सेकंड. आप ना थोड़ा पहले
3 and
ध्यान दो
15.
फिर आंसर्स दो. देखो डिविडेंड पर शेयर विल बी 3 and market price per share
हाँ.
will fall to 15 and growth rate remains unchanged.
Same.
Okay.
7%.
Yes. So it will be 3 dividend per share 3 market price per share 15 into 100 plus 7%. So what is 3 by 15 into 100? What is
20.
3 by 15 into 100? 20. So 20 plus 7 becomes 27. Okay. So now this 27 has to be taken to cost of equity capital. Okay. Have you understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me come to preference.
Yes, ma'am.
See, preference is already given 10%. No changes. Because in second case, he is not telling you to change anything in preference shares. In second case, he is not asking you anything about the preference shares. He is not asking you to do any changes in the preference shares. Therefore, the rate of dividend of preference shares will be 10% only. Yes. So next point is debentures, 14% debentures. Have we calculated 14% debentures after tax? Yes, it is 8.4. We have already calculated.
4%.
So no need to do it again. Wait. You guys don't need to do it again. It is already there. See, I 14, 1 minus T, 1 minus 0.4, 14 into 0.60, 8.40. It is already there. And 8.40 is already available. So we will just write 8.4. We will not calculate it again because it is calculated once. Once it is calculated, no need to do it again. Yes, but debenture number 2, which is newly issued right now in the second case, is 15%. We will have to convert this 15% as after tax into after tax. So this is KD2. This is KD2. Are you able to understand? KD2 is D2. D2 means second number debenture. Okay, are you understanding? Give me reply so that I can go to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. KD2 means debenture number 2. I1 minus T formula same. I is 15%. 1 same minus 0.4 tax will be same. So it should be next line. It should be 15 into 0.60. How is this 0.60? How did you calculate the 0.60? It is 1 minus
1 minus
0.40.
0.40.
Very good. So what is the final answer? 15 into 0.60 is what?
9.
Yes, it is.
9%.
Yes, it is 9%. It is 9%. So here you will write as 9.00 या फिर ठीक है 9 सिर्फ लिखा तो भी चलेगा, एक ही बात होती है 9.00 लिखो या 9 लिखो, एक ही बात है. Okay, now tell me, these amounts will also change. These amounts will also change because the proportions are changed, no? Tell me, 40 into 27%.
10.8.
Very good. 10.8. Next, 10.80, huh? If you are writing
Yes,
point 0.8, you should write 0.80. Okay, 10 into 10%.
1.00.
Okay, so 1 point. If you write 1, that is also okay. If you write 1.00, that is also okay. Okay, so 30 into 8.4%.
2.52%.
Okay, 20 into 9%.
1.80.
1.80%. And what is the total?
16.12%.
16.12%. And this should be written as,
Therefore, WACC is equal.
yes, very good. Last concluding line will be in case number B. Therefore, according to this case number B, when we issue 40 lakhs additional capital, the WACC will also increase. See, if you issue additional capital, your cost will also increase. Which cost? Cost of capital. See, earlier it was 12 point something. See, 12.90. And now it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
16.12. The cost will also increase. As you increase your capital, the cost will also go on increasing. So now you can, if you have not copied down the sum, I'm giving you 2 minutes to copy it down, and then we will shift on to the another question. See, the first case is 12.9 and the second case is 16.12. See, our answers are right.
सही किया
Okay?
हम लोग ने.
Yes. Good job. Okay, now let me search one more question. We have second question, I think, which is similar to this case study type. Oh. Yes, this third question I want you to do. See, Aroa company has a following capital structure. Common shares, you can,
Equity shares.
yes, you can tell it as, you can refer it as equity shares. 80 lakhs, preference shares 20 lakhs, debentures 60 lakhs. The rate of preference shares is also given, dividend rate 6% and debentures rate is 8% each. The shares of the company sells for rupees 20. It is expected that company will pay next year the dividend of rupees 2 per share, which will grow at 7% forever. Assume 35% tax rate. There it was 40, it is here it is 35. Now he tells you there are three different cases. First, he tells you to calculate WACC based on the existing capital structure. Next, second case, new WACC if the company raises an additional of rupees 40 lakhs debt by issuing. There it was 15% debentures, now it is 10% debentures. This would result in increasing the expected dividend to 3 rupees per share. Growth rate will remain unchanged and the market price will fall to 15 rupees per share. I think everything is same, only a few differences are there. Last point is also something new to you. Compute the cost of capital if in case B, Look at B case. Compute the new cost of capital if in case number B, above growth rate increases to 12%. So now I'm giving you time to calculate case number A, case number B, and then I will help you do case number C.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
everything is same. Just now we did, no? Everything
Yes.
is same. Only few differences are there. Example, there it was 40% tax rate. Now it is 35%.
35%.
Yes. In case number B, it was 15% debentures. Now it is 10% debentures. Everything is same. See, amounts are also same. 80, 20, 60, 1 crore, 60 lakhs. There it was preference shares. There it was, I think, 8%. Sorry, 10. Now it is 6. But the method is same, no? So I am asking you to do, I'm expecting you to do case number 1 and 2. See, I will do it for you. Okay. So I'm giving you 10 to 15 minutes to complete this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
11.20 should be the answer of case 1. Has everybody got that?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start with the second case. It says by issuing 40 lakhs new debentures 10%. Huh? Dividend rate would be 3. Dividend rate per share would be 3 and market price would be 15. With all these changes, do this second case and let me know the answer.
% आ रहा है back. सही है क्या?
Will you repeat? What is the point? What is the answer of second case?
14.26. 14.26%.
14.26. Has everybody got that?
26%.
See, first was 11.20, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
And second was 14.26.
14.26.
Right answer.
Yes, okay. See how he has calculated KE and KD? The same way you should also be calculating. Have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
done it same
आया.
way?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's do the third part now. Write down C, computation of new WACC. Write down computation of new WACC. C case, huh? Write down C, A, B, C you have written, no? A, B, like that way. C, computation of new WACC. If in case B, the growth rate is increased to 12%. If in case B, the growth rate is increased to 12%. Now look at case B only. Huh? Look at the case B only. That's it. Copy down equity, preference, debentures 1, debenture 2. First debenture had the interest rate 8% and second debenture had 10%. So you have to write that way only. 8% debenture 1, 10% debenture 2, the way I had written in the previous sum. What was equity? Tell me the amount. What was equity in case B?
80 lakh.
80 lakhs. Very good. What is, it was 6% debenture, no? Yes, 6% debenture. What was the amount in case B? 6% preference. Preference, sorry. 6%
20 lakh.
preference. 20 lakhs.
20
Very
lakh.
good.
20
Very
lakhs.
good. Yes. Next we have 8% debenture 1.
60 lakh.
60 lakhs.
60 lakhs.
And 10% debentures 2.
40 lakh.
40 lakhs.
40 lakhs. What is the total?
2 crore.
2 crore.
2 crore. What is the proportion of equity?
40%.
40. Same. Because
Same,
only
ma'am.
growth rate is changed. Nothing else is changed. What is preference ka proportion?
10%.
What is debenture 1 proportion?
30%.
And what is proportion of last debenture?
2%.
2 nahi.
Or 20.
20. 40, 10, 30, 20 is the proportion of all 4 sources. Okay. Now, let us calculate KE because in KE growth rate is changed. Write down the formula. See, look at the screen. Write down the formula. KE is equals to DPS upon MPS into 100 plus G. The way we write, huh? DPS upon MPS into 100. Put this into bracket. And outside the bracket, write plus G. Now, what was DPS? Tell me in case number B, huh? Now, students do mistake. They take growth
3.
rate 2 and market price 20. No, it was case number 1. But in case number 3, they are asking to keep everything same as case number 2, B, and only change growth rate. So what will be my DPS?
3.
Look at the screen. This is case number C. Yes, 3 upon market price per share
15.
into 100 plus G. Now G was in case number
12.
B. No, in case number B, the growth rate was 7. Now it is 12. So you have to
Yes,
write
ma'am.
12. So 3 upon 15 into 100. It is 20.
Yes.
Is it 20?
Yes, ma'am.
So plus 12. 20 percentage plus 12 percentage. How much it is all?
32.
In all it
32
is
percentage.
32 percentage. How much is it in all? 32 percentage. So that is what you have to write in the COC column.
COC.
COC के KE के column में, मतलब equity के column में 32 percentage.
Yes.
Okay, what about preference? It is same 6. What about KD1 and KD2? You have already calculated in case 1 and case 2. Look at case 1, KD1 was 5.2. Look at case 2, KD2 was 6.5. That has to be same. No difference. No need to calculate again. And now calculate WACC and get me the total. So tell me, what is the WACC of equity? What is amount of
12.80.
sorry, percentage of equity is 12.80. Very good. What is of preference?
0.60.
What is of debenture 1?
1.56.
I hope you are calculating and telling me, Jayashree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is the
Ma'am,
last?
total आया 1.30. Total
And what
आया
is the total?
16.26.
Very good, very good. Has everybody done it? Yes, has everybody done the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way? Okay. Okay, now let us shift to the next question. Ninth is done, no? Okay, now this 10th one. 10th one. So what is the question? Should we start? Yes, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Elam Limited has a total capital employed of rupees 75 lakhs. Now they are telling you that the total capital is 75 lakhs. Okay. The breakup is as under. What is included in the 75 lakhs? Let us check. 15% debt means borrowed funds. 30%. Now you will say, ma'am, 15%, 30%, 2 percentages are given. No, 15% debt means debt has interest rate of 15%. That 15% is another thing. And 30% is out of 75 lakhs, 30% is my borrowed funds. Did you get this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another 10%, 10% of 75 lakhs is my preference share capital. Preference share capital has 12% rate of dividend. Okay. Rest amount. See, 30% has gone to borrowed funds. 10% has gone to preference share capital. So total 40% is gone. No. Total 40% is allocated. Out of 75 lakhs, 40% is allocated. What is left over? 60%. So 60%, you have two things in 60%, equity and retained earnings. And they are giving you the proportion 3:1. Means equity is more than retained earnings. We will calculate, don't worry. I'm just giving you an idea before starting the sum. All shares and debt, all shares means equity, preference, everything, and debt are in the units of